everybody. We're here at H2OH Pool Party Sky Waterpark. This is on the top of J Mall in Cebu City, and I didn't even know that it was here, but finally eventually found out about it. There's a little food court, kind of a eating place I believe in there. But once you come to the top floor, you have to go to the elevators in J Mall, and you ask people where's the water park, and they'll eventually get you here. It took us 3 or 4 tries to find it, but show you gotta get my camera to adjust the light meter to focus on the things that aren't so bright. So anyway, we're gonna go up the stairs here. We just got here. I think it's on the 6th floor, and I don't know if the wind is making wind noise. I'm gonna get my finger out from in front of the camera and try to cover the microphone, but we're on the 6th floor, so you know, you get a little bit of breeze here. But this is the water park here, and I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'm gonna go find out. But as you can see, the pool is from over there around. You got over there under this thing. There's tables and chairs. It's really nice and clean and neat, and there's nobody here. This is a Thursday. But as you can see, there's the water slides. I'm going to zoom in there. You can see the water slides. So it looks like a pretty decent little setup here. If you ever come here, just go swimming or water slide. Fun. Bring some kids or bring your buddies or girls or whatever. And come here. I'm going to see how much it costs. Yeah. This is a ticket area here. So anyway, so here's the rules here. No running, no diving, no pushing. Watch your kids, watch your head. The management. So what's the price, honey?
500 if you're local.
Local? What do you mean local?
You Filipino who live here from Cebu.
How about if you're a foreigner that lives here from Cebu?
Just present your residence ID, sir, or any.
Oh, so it's 500 per person?
Yes.
Adult, and then.
Adult, and for the kids is 450.
150.
For the kids is 450.
450?
Yes.
Mercy, that's a lot. And that includes a life jacket and towels?
For the life jackets and towel is for 100 for the towel. Then for the life jacket is 100.
So 100 each. Okay. And that's for all day. And can you come and go, or
Yes, sir.
if you okay, you can go
Give
eat.
you wristband just like this.
Oh, okay, cool. You're gonna be on YouTube, so you're gonna get 1 million more customers now. You'll be jam-packed, and everybody will be here. Cute girls in their bikinis. Okay, so 500. And is there different days of the week? It's different price, or every day it's the same price?
We have promo start on Thursday to Sunday. We have dinner buffet every Thursday and Sunday, 750 each. Then
That's for the buffet and swimming?
Yes, sir. 750. Both kids and adult. Then for every Friday we have barbecue buffet, 449.
Barbecue
Yes,
what?
Barbecue buffet.
Barbecue what?
Yes.
Barbecue chicken?
Yes, chicken, pork,
Fish?
and seafood.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And every Saturday we have semi-buffet, 449 also.
Okay. Now, do you have like a little price list or that shows all this information?
You can get flyers at the reception near elevator.
Right here?
Yes. Yes.
On this side, not downstairs. But...
Yeah. Same
Okay.
floor.
Okay. And they've got all the pricing and all
Yes.
the promos and stuff?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Okay.
We
What?
also have a fan page. We also have fan page.
Fun page?
Facebook.
Oh,
You can search Sky Waterpark.
Sky Waterpark. So that's the official name, Sky Waterpark?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. All right. Well, I really appreciate it. And what time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
Yes, and you can see the slides there. We close there at 6 p.m.
The what?
The slides close at 6 p.m., sir.
Oh, the slides
The
close at
main
6,
pool
so you
is
got to
10
get here
p.m.
early, but the main pool is 10. Oh, okay. All right. Anything else we should know?
That would be all.
That's it? Okay.
Yes.
All right. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, it's a little bit pricey. $500 per person. That's $10 US. Kids are $450. That's $9 US. But I guess if it's a water park sort of a thing, I mean, it's got the slides and some other little gadgets over there that would be fun. I definitely would come here just at least one time. But the slide closes at 6, so right as it gets dark, it gets dark in the Philippines. It's at 6, no matter where you are. 5:30, 6:15, sun is, sundown. We're so close to the equator that we pretty much get 12-hour days and 12-hour nights. It doesn't really vary much. So anyway, this is winter time now. It's really beautiful weather. But yeah, there's some more seating. Came over here to there. Jamal, also if you have immigration stuff, Philippine immigration stuff, I think it's on the second floor is the immigration office. You can get your ACR cards here. You can do your visa applications, visa extensions, 13A, whatever you need to get done. Pretty much you can get done here, and they have good service. Things never come back from Manila on time, so if they say 3 months, it'll probably be 4. But other than that, service is good. But because they can't do man, wow, the water bucket just dumped. I don't know if you saw that, but there's a bucket on top of that thing way up there, just swinging. That eventually fills up with water and then dumps, and there's just this huge flood that comes down. So that might be fun to be near there when it hits, or it may wash you off into the Cebu City or something. Who knows? But anyway, just want to show you guys what this place looked like. We have been hearing about it for some time. There's a little basketball court thing over there if you like to shoot hoops, right there. Sorry for the jiggling. I didn't bring my gimbal. But anyway, nice area, clean, and it looks like fun. Plus you have a view of the city. You have a real, pretty, like I said, we're on the 6th floor, and you can see the mountains over there. So you get a little sightseeing of the town, swimming, water sliding. Like the young man said at the ticket counter, they got the buffets, barbecue buffets, and regular buffet, I guess, too. It'd probably be a lot of Filipino style food. It's not going to be your American Chinese buffet, or Mexican food buffet, or hometown buffet type thing. But still, it'll probably be pretty decent, and add the $250 to your 500 peso entry fee, and that's $5 for a buffet. So can't beat that. So anyway, that's it, and we'll be back with more from My Paradise on Bantayan Island. Bye for now. Right, yeah, well, we just showed you the water park, and this is kind of like their advertisement thing for it. But if you come over here, there's actually a hotel over here that you can stay in. And these are the ladies here that, tell you all the stuff about the hotel. So you got rooms here in the hotel?
Yes, sir.
And you have a promo package?
We have promo. It's $2,999.
Uh-huh.
2 kids and 2 adults.
2 adults, and it includes the pool?
It includes the pool, unlimited swimming from
And-
the day you
and
check
the
in
one-
until the day you check out.
Oh, cool. And then you have breakfast, you said? You have a breakfast?
Yes, the package includes complimentary breakfast buffet inside the Yoko Hotel.
And the breakfast buffet is in this area here? Over there? Okay. Any other things you have? I see you have like a massage and stuff like that.
Yes, we have massage inside the Sky Waterpark.
Inside here?
Yes.
There's a massage in the water park. And how much is that?
It's per hour, sir. I think it's 1,000.
1,000 per hour?
Yes.
Okay. And you have barbecue night?
Yes, it's barbecue night. It's unlimited. It's all you can.
All you can eat, and that's in the pool area? And
Yeah.
you get free drink? No, well, yeah, it's in the pool, yeah, area, yeah. And you get free drinks?
Iced tea or orange juice.
Iced tea, orange juice. Orange juice is really not orange juice, it's orange drink. It's not orange juice. But you got chicken, pork, and seafood, unlimited rice, and a side dish. What is the side dish? Oh, corn.
Sweet potato, and grilled banana.
Oh, okay. Wow. Any other specials? You got semi-buffet dinner.
Every Saturday, it's
Try to zoom in on
$4.49.
that. Yeah, same price.
Yes.
Every Saturday. The barbecue is Fridays.
Friday, then this is Saturday. And
Yeah.
the semi-buffet lunch is every Sunday.
Oh, okay.
This
That's a
one.
semi-buffet lunch. So what time is the lunch?
12 to 1 p.m.
12 to 1? Okay. Alrighty. And the
We also have dinner show,
dinner show. Oh, wow. Like a theater? Like a...
cultural dance,
Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, cool.
fire dance.
Yeah. Oh, fire dance. Yeah.
Yes.
And how much is that?
It's 1,500.
For how about children?
1,000.
1,000. Oh, okay. And how
It's every Thursday and Sunday.
how long is the show?
It's between 6:30 to 7:30.
Okay, like 1 hour show.
Yes,
Okay.
1 hour show.
All
While
right.
you eat dinner.
Oh,
there is show.
oh, cool. Well, so that includes food.
It includes food also.
What's the food? What kind of food?
We have main courses.
It's just standard, Filipino type food.
Yes.
Oh, pansit. Yes or no?
Meat.
Meat?
Yes.
How about-
Chicken
Oh, okay.
and dessert.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All right. And what's your name?
Trisha.
Trisha? All right. Trisha, we really appreciate your help. And you'll be able to see yourself on my YouTube channel,
What's your YouTube channel?
My Paradise on Bantayan Island.
My Paradise?
On Bantayan Island.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll see you later.